What's going on, everybody? Your old friend, the neighborhood possum here. Well, you know, we went to the auction the other day, and we brought back home something. So guess what we brought? We brought back old Ching Chong, all the way from China, mini excavator. Yes, sir. Even got one of them fancy little LED lights, the little joystick controls. Look at all that. It's cute. Great for your wife's garden. So, somebody want to come buy one of these? Come buy one of these. Give you a good deal on it. It's brand new. Got 0 hours. Yep. Can't beat that. I mean, you can beat it with a stick, but then it'd be used, and we ain't trying to sell used raggedy ass shit. Cool shit. Come check it out, baby.